Have you ever looked at your conversion rate on your website for a product, especially an inexpensive one like your Tripwire, something that usually costs between $5 to $50 maximum and is used to kind of activate the relationship with potential customers? You ever look at those numbers and think, man, this is not converting? Or why do I read about everyone else converting at 5, 6, 7% and beyond? And meanwhile, I'm only converting at 0.5% or 1% or even 0%. Why is no one buying? It's an inexpensive product. Why aren't more customers buying? What is holding them back? Am I doing something wrong? Is it me? Or are the other marketers online that are claiming these great results, are they just lying? In today's video, I'm going to show you an example that came in via a question from a member of our audience. I'm going to walk you through what is holding back his conversion rate based on my professional analysis and all my experience to date. All right, so here's the question. He says, "Hi Matt, I read your article on selling right off the bat, the Russell Brunson way of doing things." So he's talking about a previous video that I made where I talked about where you make a Tripwire offer, a special offer after someone has, for example, opted into your email list. In the article, you said to expect a 7 to 10% conversion rate for the Tripwire. I've also seen many other sites giving similar conversion rates of 3 to 5%. However, I've tested multiple different Tripwire pages and I can never get above 1%. Why the hell is it not converting? I'd be super grateful if you could give it a quick glance and let me know your thoughts. All the best to Marcus. So I took out the URL just to protect his privacy in case he didn't want his website in this video. And let's go ahead and take a look at the page. So I went ahead and I studied this page before I hit record on this video. And there are a number of really glaring conversion killing errors that I want to point out. And as I go through them, I'll be scrolling up and down the page and I'll show you one or two examples that work a little bit better as well. And I'll kind of explain my rationale. But I don't want you to sit there as I'm going through this and think, well, Matt, these errors are so obvious. They may seem obvious to you because they aren't, this isn't your landing page, this isn't your business. Because as entrepreneurs, we're often too close to our own products and services so that when we look at our own websites, we don't see the exact same errors that are occurring here that are actually killing our conversion rate. So let's get right into it. So someone has presumably, when they hit this page, says, "Thank you, your download is on its way to your inbox, but wait, I've got an exclusive offer just for you." So there's a transition statement. He makes the offer. The payment option is right there. The price is over here. The price is repeated over here before going to checkout. Kind of talks about the value of it, on and on. Call to action button, what's included, guarantee, and there was another countdown timer here, but it has now finished. So the first thing is clarity. And if you've seen previous webinar, I'm coming out with a complete ebook and course on it in the future called the 11 Laws of Sales Funnel Physics. One of the laws of sales funnel physics is the law of clarity, which says that if people don't understand what it is you're offering, they're not going to buy it. And the problem here is that the landing page is asking for the sale before any understanding of the value is even being established. Like right here, it says, but wait, I've got an exclusive offer just for you. Buy one, get one free. Meanwhile, it's asking me to buy payment form around here. I have no idea what this product is or even if it's a fit for my needs. Pricing is the next thing. So the price of $349, it's a little bit odd, and there are conversion case studies that I found when I was creating our proven sales conversion pack product, which you can check out on our website, autogrow.co/products if you're interested. There are a number of case studies that I found while doing research for that product that said that actually the amount of space that a price actually takes up visually is roughly correlated with how big of an investment people unconsciously perceive it to be. So $349 and even crossing out $699 here, it's kind of a weird price. It's not a price that you would normally see on a book, for example, like if you went to the store. Um, so I think something about, actually just making the price even a little higher at just, an even $5 might convert a bit better, because it's still perceived as, very inexpensive and very affordable. And the idea that it's being marked down from $7, it's already extremely affordable even at $7. So why, either just make it $7 or $5, and it's already inexpensive enough. Because otherwise this is, one of the laws of sales funnel physics is the law of friction. This is causing friction because it says it's being marked down and then it's $349, but why is it so cheap? It's kind of a weird price. And then it says worth $69.99 up here. It doesn't sound like that much. Most marketers will also give a much higher value when they say it's worth something, because what is the value of your health, for example? It could be worth hundreds of dollars even. It depends on how you value it, right? But $7 value isn't that high. So that's distracting. The next thing is formatting. The formatting of the page, it feels complex, distracting. There's centered text that's hard to read. There's a 2-column layout, which for any landing page, I recommend avoiding where you have, unless it's like laying out testimonials, a layout where it's like this, because the user is not sure where to look. Should I look to the left, and then they're scrolling down, and then they miss the content that's over here that could be important and is important. It's social proof, right? So 2-column layout, be careful of that, because people aren't sure where to look. But also, you got this highlighted text over here, you got the timer going, you got this thing blinking, it's counting down, it's only 20 minutes. There's this green button, then the formatting of the text is a different font here. There's a lot of stuff going on, and it's very distracting. So people might judge the offer in a negative light because of that inconsistency, or just get distracted by all of the noise on the page rather than actually consuming the offer and then making a decision on it. The other thing that I noticed was that transition. Okay, so the tone matters here, and it's a subtle thing. It says, but wait, I've got an exclusive offer just for you. Okay, so but wait, I got an exclusive offer just for you might feel a little pushy to some people. There's a subtle and slightly more graceful way that you can go about it. So this is one of the ways that I do it in terms of an upsell, but this isn't even that good. This is how we do it for our tripwire. It says awesome, so it's confirming, yes, everything is on its way, and the page already has that thank you in it, so that's good. In the meantime, consider this one-time special offer. So it's a little more polite, it's less pushy, it's less cliche, and it's transitioning in a more graceful way in terms of the language that is being used. Okay, so the tone matters, and again, the order of it matters, because you're jumping right from the transition into buy one get one free, and we'll talk more about that right now when it comes to the law of alignment. So the law of alignment says that people have conscious and unconscious preferences and expectations as far as how they want to be sold and what they expect when they are on the page. So for example, the law of alignment is being violated, and it's killing your conversion rate, the landing page's conversion rate here. When you're making an offer to pay something, but then it says, yes, I want the free ebook. Now, after thinking about it, I understand that you're getting one of the ebooks for free, but it's confusing that it is on the buy button, which is another high point of leverage within your sales funnel, as evidenced by multiple case studies where this has been something that's been A/B tested. So your buy button, the text on it is a high point of leverage, and if you get it wrong, as it is, I believe in this case, wrong here, where it says, it's just creating confusion, because people are like, wait, what? I thought I was paying for something, but why is it saying that the book is actually free? As far as an unconscious expectation or preference, according to the law of alignment, people want to, again, they want to have clarity around the offer, but as many case studies have shown, and in my experience this is true too, that's why I even started this video this way, is you want to start by talking about the problem, okay? You want to talk about the problem so people can feel like you can empathize with what it is that might be troubling them, which then you can offer a solution to. All right. So, and that's in terms of persuasion, this is also called pacing and leading. All right. And furthermore, on that point too, we have a template that is part of our six-figure sales funnel training. This is a template that I've used. It's deceptively simple in terms of the 10 elements that you have to have on any successful landing page, beginning with a statement and elaboration on what the problem is. The next item is the fact that it feels very much high pressure with the timer that is going and the emphasis on it. And it's fine if you want to set a deadline of, today only, this sort of thing, and you want to have the timer, but too much emphasis on it is distracting. And it also affects how people perceive the value of the offer. Because if the offer is valuable in the first place, then why do you need to emphasize the timer so heavily? Okay, it's enough to just put it in one place, and that would be all you need to do. There's also a credibility issue because when the offer does expire, it's set to be 20 minutes right now, the page doesn't redirect. I can still check out, no problem. So there's that credibility issue as well. And another reason why you may want to extend it, all right, you may want to extend it to be, for until the end of the day, until midnight every night, all right? So that's it for this video. I hope you found the analysis valuable, but let me know in the comments and tell me which items did you find most relevant and which problems did you really relate to, where you might have said, hey, I have the exact same problem going on my landing page, and now you're going to take action on it. So let me know what you found most valuable in the comments. And if you're interested to learn more, I mentioned the six-figure sales funnel training product. You can go check that out on our website by going to autogrow.co/products, okay? So be sure to like, subscribe, and share, and I will see you in the next video. And you can let me know if you have a question that you would like me to tackle in an upcoming video, whether it's about funnels, conversion rate, or traffic generation. I'll be happy to address it for you.